So for our project, we decided to research about the web print server administration and security. I think this is an important topic because we deal with printers for many years and technology keeps changing. It is not neutral. And it is important since we're in this class to learn about administration. And as an administrator, we have to learn how the web print server works and how security works. How can we configure this? How can we stop attacks and many more. So let's get going. Introduction. All right, so printing is essential to business functionality and efficient in a working environment. Web print allows any machine to send jobs to the printer regardless of site location. So there's no need to worry about it. Location is least of our worries. Printer management software is crucial for easy modifications. It's easy to configure and coordination of printers on a network. So all of this is easy to use, efficient, and yeah, very fast. All right. So benefits to business or system admin. The admin can control all the print settings, the print policies. He's in charge of the entire thing. He knows who's printing, how many copies, what date. He will check if you're part of the AD, if you're part of the organization, etc. WebPrint keeps a running log of jobs sent to the printer for usage statistics for the printers, allowing the admin to manage traffic as needed. It is efficient, and yeah, if users encounter a problem or if they want to print a lot of stuff, then other people they don't have to wait. They can use other printers that will take control of it. Yeah, it doesn't cause a lot of problems. WebPrint allows the admin to have better control of the security facets. Security is very important for a WebPrint so that we don't receive any attackers or other organizations to connect. If users have their credentials and are permitted to log in, the process of printing is simplified. Users can control print settings and profile. For the web print, security is beneficial because it ensures that all printing is recorded and no access is permitted outside of the organization. No one from other locations or a random person can access the web print. Only the users from a specified directory or a specified organization can use those. With two-layer security system of IP address, whitelisting and Active Directory, authorization and authentication in our system is relatively safe. So there's no need to worry about suspicious IP address. If someone has like a suspicious IP address and they want to connect to the web print, the admin or the web print will not allow this person to connect, and it keeps everything safe. You can look all the information and who requested to print a file.
Thank you, Marcos, and hello everyone. My name is Leo Kim, and I will be presenting the goals of the implementation of our report, our project. So some of the implementations goals include a web print management system with web page front end where the users can upload their files and to print. And along with that, we will implement some of the basic security tools and measures. Some of them include IP address blocking, disabling local printing, and also port restrictions. As a part of implementation, we imported and integrated the Active Directory of the Calvin University, and we restricted usage of the service by whitelisting some members who belong to a particular AD groups. Our web print management system allows scalability of the network printing system by being able to add printers and copy settings over VM templates. So this is ability that is really crucial since it saves a lot of time, energy, and allows a simplified and centralized management system of the printers for the administrator in the network. And now I'd like to pass it to Michael.
So for an overview of the process, once we acquired the network printer, we configured the IP address on the network following the manufacturer's guidelines. And on our dedicated management machine, we added the printer to our network and installed the PaperCut print driver. We downloaded PaperCut's management software and configured Active Directory user permissions and set up the security measures. Finally, we went to verify the working condition of the system. So for proof of a working system, we thought in the following slides we'd show successful uploading, queuing, and printing of a document. We show the administrator's view of the management system's logs, and we show what the user would see from the print logs before and after sending a print job. Finally, we verify that the print job matches the printer's output. So here we see our initial list of our printers. So we see the management machine 333 SK79G, and then followed by our printer MLM CS338 added on the admin side. And then we can see the administrator's view of the print logs prior to printing. We see the last one was from 2:53 p.m. on April 30th, and this is just the before case. And then on the user side, we also see that the last job was from 2:53 p.m. From the particular user's page. In this case, my page. And then here it shows the successful upload of a document. And then following this, we'll see the queuing of the document. Yep, so we see finished, queued for printing, where the printer will then process the document and send it out. And then here on the administrator side, we see the updated print log. We now see a new job, April 30th from 3:03 p.m. From the user MJS96 from the previous slide. And then finally, you see the updated print logs on the user's end. So my print logs would show that I did print at 3:03 p.m. This allows for tracking of statistics and allows the administrator to see who is printed, what resources are being used, and what kind of traffic you can see per printer, per room on different parts of the facility. And then finally, we prove that it matches the existing document, the document that came out of the printer. It matches perfectly to the PDF that we sent it. And then finally, our resources. So in the first link, you see the installation and configuration of a print server from rdrit.com. And then we follow the guide on how to install PaperCut NG on their site and their support manuals. And then finally, implementing PaperCut security through we got that reference from one of their IT managers. And thank you for listening to our presentation. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.